Alright, welcome back to Triangle Congruence Proofs, and today's proof videos are going to be showing you angle side angle, angle side, and hypotenuse leg proofs. So to start out with, we have angle side angle. And just like side angle side, the order and the placement of the angles and sides does matter for this proof. So angle side angle means two angles and the included side. So these are the two angles that are marked, and the included side has to basically be from one angle to the other, connecting those angles if you want to think of it that way. So angle A to angle B makes side AB, and angle D to angle E makes side DE. So the included side is the side that is between the two angles. So if angle A is congruent to angle D, side AB is congruent to side DE, and angle B is congruent to angle E, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So if you're ever wondering if you have the right side, again, if you look at the letters, you have angle A and angle B, so that means you should have side AB. If you have angle D and angle E, then your included side should have those exact letters to name it, side DE. So let's try one of our three angle side angle proofs. So we'll just start out with this first one. So again, always mark your drawing first thing. So side SQ bisects angle RQT. So here's angle RQT. And if you remember, a bisector creates two congruent angles. So this angle and this angle are congruent. And then it doesn't give us any other given information. Oh yes, it does. It says angle RST is also bisected. So that's the importance of reading carefully. So angle RST is also bisected by side SQ. So that gives us that small angle and that small angle. So we're trying to prove that triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TS. So we start with what's given. And then, because this is a bisector, we have angle RQS is congruent to angle TQS, and that would be by the definition of angle bisector. And we also know that RSQ is congruent to TSQ, and again, that's because SQ bisected those two angles. So definition of angle bisector again. And then we have to have a side, and the side has to be between the two angles. Well, the only side that's possible to know that is congruent is the shared side. Remember, we always want to do the shared sides, which would be QS, and that would be congruent to itself. So QS is congruent to QS, reflexive property. And then we have angle side angle as our reason for that proof. So we'll leave you to do the other two proofs, number 2 and number 3, on your own.